Let us see the next one. Find the area of a parallelogram ABCD if three of its vertices are a 2, 4, b 2 plus root 3, 5, c 2, 6. We have to find out the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram to find out means we need the coordinates of D also. Coordinates of D is not given. So what do? We know that here in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AC is also the midpoint of BD. Using that one, we are going to find out the coordinates of D. After knowing the coordinates of D, we will find out the area of triangle ABC and we will find out the area of triangle ADC. Both we are joining it up. We will get the area of parallelogram ABCD. That's what they are asking us to find out. So, first we will find it out, the coordinates of D. That is midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint formula we know already, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 plus x2 is 2 plus 2 by 2, comma 4 plus 6 by 2 equal to midpoint here x plus 2 plus root 3 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. So here 4 by 2 is 2, 10 by 2 is 5 equal to here x plus 2 plus root 3 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. On comparing x plus 2 plus root 3 by 2 equal to 2. From this what do we get? X plus 2 plus root 3 equal to 4. From this what do we get? X is equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus root 3 is x value. Then y plus 5 by 2 equal to 5. That means y plus 5 equal to 10. That implies y equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. Therefore, D coordinates are 2 minus root 3, comma 5. 2 minus root 3, comma 5. Right. Now, area of triangle ABC. Formula half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half modulus of x1 is, let this one be x1 y1, let this one be x2 y2, let this one be x3 y3. x1 is 2 into y2 is 5 minus 6 plus x2 is 2 plus root 3 into y3 is 6 minus 4 plus x3 is 2 into 4 minus 5. So half absolute 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Half absolute of minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 root 3 minus 2. This is half absolute of minus 4 plus 4 plus 2 root 3. Plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. That is 2 root 3 upon 2. This value is root 3 square units. In the same way, we will find out area of triangle ADC. Same formula. So half absolute of x1 is 2, y2 minus y3. This is x2, y2 will consider y2 minus y3, 5 minus 6 plus x2 into, that is 2 minus root 3 into y3 minus y1, 6 minus 4 plus x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2, 4 minus 5. Half absolute of 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Half absolute of minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 root 3 minus 2. Half absolute of minus 4 plus 4 minus 2 root 3. Half absolute of minus 2 root 3. This is nothing but 2 root 3 by 2. This is also root 3. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is root 3 plus root 3 This is equal to 2 root 3 square units.